Now in this module I am going to start the ANSYS workbench. The topic is related to FEM, finite element method. I have choose the example of simply supported beam in this. First of all, I have take the slot of static structure. I have already completed this project, but now I am give the total solution about that. First of all, change the name to simply supported beam, which you have to make. Then okay, then go to the engineering data, double click on this. In engineering data I have to change the Young modulus and Poisson's ratio. In this column you have seen the Young modulus. They change to MPa, megapascal. Have to change the value to 10000 and then select enter. Done. Poisson's ratio is 0.3. Now minimize this section. I have go to the project and go to the geometry section, double click on this. There are many types of module in this related to different types of fluid flow extrusion, polyflow, CFX. Now this workbench is open. I have already completed, but I just showed you. First of all, you have select the sketching. Okay, after select the sketching, you have to go to the setting. In the setting you have select the grid and tick mark the show 2D and snap. After that you have to select the normal view, go to normal view and draw, then bottom, and go to the modeling, the sketching, select rectangle. You have to create the rectangular of 40 of 40. I have already created. After that, after the created, you have to select already created. Go to the extrude command. I have selected the XY sketch. Apply. Done. After this, we have to double click on generate button. Generate. This type of view is created. Now you have to select on this beam, simply supported beam. Here is the y axis, this is x axis, this is z axis. Okay, now minimize this design modular and go to the model. Yes, it takes some time to open this. Previously I've told you there are many types of module in this related to fluid flow, hydrodynamic, IC engine, models, rigid dynamics, steady state thermal. Okay, anyway, I've completed my work first of all, then I will go through this. This is automatically read this data of simply supported beam. This is attached status of overall progress of this project. After that, you scroll down, size low, scroll up, size big. First of all, you have to create the